In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located on the bottom of the motor. Let's get started. Here we are under the car, looking up at our splash shield. We're going to use a T45 bit, and we're going to remove the 3 rear screws. You should have 2 more right here and here. Ours only has 1. Using a T25 bit, remove the 4 screws on the sides of the splash shield. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the engine splash shield. Pull the connector back off of the bracket. Pull it straight back. And now we're going to get our connector. Push on the tab on top. Push straight down, or pull straight down and remove it. Remove the harness out of the bracket. Open that tab, pull straight down. Using a small pick, we're going to open up this plastic bracket. And remove the harness. Using a 4mm Allen bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws for our crankshaft position sensor. Remove the 2 screws and the sensor. I have 1 bolt installed into my crankshaft position sensor. We're going to put it up into place and get that first bolt started. If you can, I recommend getting them started by hand. You do not want to cross thread these. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bolts to 9 Newton meters. Install the harness into the bracket and close the little door. Be sure it clicks into place. Pull the harness up, install it into the metal bracket, install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install that connector back into that bracket. Install the splash shield into place. Be sure that all of your large tabs go in and all of your small tabs stay out. Install the bolts. Get the 3 bolts in the rear started. There should be 2 more on these outsides. We only have 1. Go down the side, installing all of the screws. You should have 4 on each side. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.